Hello friends, this is Anand. Today I'm here with a video on Defy Gravity Gen True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. So let's get started. So on the front side of the box is written Defy Gravity Gen, and these are the pictures of the earbuds, and it's written 10-minute charge is equal to 2.5 hours of playback. And its features are Bluetooth version 5.1, and the total playback is 24 hours when you have the wireless charging case, and it's IPX4 water and sweat resistant, and it has Brisk charge technology, type C fast charging, and it has an immersive sound experience, and it also has the quick pair and connect technology, and it contains 4 environment noise cancelling microphones, and it also had the thermo mode for gaming. And on the back side the specifications are given. It's imported and marketed by Imagine Marketing Private Limited, and the box contains one Defy Gravity Gen and one large, medium and small size silicone ear tips, and one type C charging cable, one user manual and a warranty card. And its charging norms and precautionary guidelines are: you have to use a 5-volt 2 ampere charger, brick or adapter, and you have to use a standard cable which has 35 strands at the rate 0.10 millimeter of diameter or strand. So now let's unbox it. So these are the earbuds. Let's keep them aside and let's see the other things. And this is the user manual, and this is the 1-year warranty card. You can give a missed call on this number to activate your product's warranty. And this is the USB type C charging cable, and these are the extra ear tips. So now let's see the main earbuds. So on the front side is written Defy, and the instructions are given: please charge before use and remove the plastic sticker from earbuds charging pins. And on the back side, this is the USB type C charging port, and this is the LED indicator, and these are the earbuds, and this is the ear tip, and you have to remove these stickers from the charging pins of the earbuds. So I have removed the stickers. Now let's see the build quality of the earbuds. The build quality is quite awesome, and it has 4 mics in total, 2 on one earbud and 2 on the other. So now let's check how the earbuds charge. So for charging the earbuds, you just have to put the earbuds into the charging case, and it will attach magnetically to the charging case. And after you close the earbud, you can see the green light has turned on the LED indicator, and is charging right now. The build quality of the charging case is quite awesome. It's very compact and handy. You can take it inside your palms or your pocket while traveling. So now let's test the sound quality of these earbuds. For pairing these earbuds, you just have to open the case, and you have to turn on Bluetooth on your phone, and you have to select Defy Gravity Gen. Now it has got connected. So now let me test the sound quality of these earbuds. So this was the sound quality test of these earbuds. Now let's see how it will look when you wear it. It will look like this when you wear it. So this was the unboxing of the Defy Gravity Gen True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Meet you in the next video. Bye. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to share it with your friends so that they also get all my interesting videos.